Hi there, and welcome to this week's iteration of IndySoft's Tip Tuesday. My name is Keith, and this week I will be going over a new interface that we added in our added employee groups. So this feature was added in version 14.1.3. So you must be upgraded to at least that version. So that's 14.1.3. And once you're upgraded to that version, we can navigate to the Add Edit Employees. So we'll just go to Add Edit and Employees. And we can see here I have 2 employees. And if I click into John Doe here, we can go to this Employees Groups tab here. And this tab is actually what is brand new. It's this whole interface right here. Before it was just a right-click menu item, but this interface makes it a lot easier to see the employees that are added, and you can easily add them like so or delete them. But another cool feature is we've added a cloning option. So I've created this new employee, Jane Doe. And if I click into this employee, you can see this employee is not related to any groups. I can click this button here and it opens up this modal that allows me to search any company in the system. And then it also allows me to search any employee of that company. So in this case, John Doe. And once I select that employee, I can automatically see John Doe's employee group configuration. And I can easily clone that and carry that over to the new employee, Jane Doe. So that makes it a lot easier if you have employees that are attached to multiple groups. And it just makes it a lot easier to see with this interface and our new cloning feature. And that will wrap it up for today's Tip Tuesday, and stay tuned for next week. Thank you.